Why sync your fitness tracker with Google Fit?
Syncing your fitness tracker with Google Fit brings all your health data together in one place. This helps you keep track of your steps, workouts, heart rate, and more, regardless of which brand of device you use. Google Fit can then provide useful insights, goals, and progress tracking for your overall fitness journey.
Check compatibility before you begin.
Not all fitness trackers work directly with Google Fit. Most devices from brands like Fitbit, Garmin, Xiaomi, and Samsung can sync data, but some may need their own app or third-party solutions. Check your device's support or App Store listing to see if it mentions Google Fit integration.
Install and set up Google Fit.
Okay. Download the Google Fit app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. You'll be asked for permissions. Allow Google Fit to access sensor data, physical activity, and location for the most accurate tracking. Follow the on-screen setup to customize your fitness goals.
Connect your fitness tracker.
Most trackers sync to Google Fit via their companion apps. For example, open your device's official app, look for settings or accounts, and choose Connect with Google Fit. Follow the prompts to link your Google account. Grant the necessary permissions so data, like steps and workouts, transfers over automatically.
Verify data sync and troubleshooting.
After connecting, open Google Fit to see if your data appears. It may take a few minutes for new data to sync, especially after your first setup. If you don't see your data, try checking permissions, restarting the apps, or updating your device software. Refer to your tracker's support site for specific troubleshooting steps.
Take advantage of Google Fit features.
The Google Fit doesn't just store your data, it helps you make sense of it. Use daily and weekly summaries, set activity goals, and track your heart points and move minutes. As you sync more data, Google Fit offers insights and suggestions to keep you motivated on your fitness journey.